everyone. Welcome to Edubbey Global Solution. Today we'll be talking about opportunity cost. Now, what do we mean by opportunity cost? Why do you think we have an opportunity cost in the first place? Opportunity cost, why do we have it? Now we have, because is it because of resources, scarcity, or is it because of want? What do you think? Of course, it should be because of scarcity, because as you all know, our resources is limited, is scarcity. Now that's it. Opportunity cost is the value of what you have to give up in order to choose something else. As you all know, it is also known as foregone alternative. This diagram is showing the different direction this one man have to choose out of the 4 direction. Moving to the next slide, we have influence of opportunity cost on decision making. We have those decision makers to be consumers, workers, producer, and government. Now let us see what it says. Consumers are influenced by opportunity cost when they purchased one goods and given up the chance of purchasing another. As we all know, consumers, they are the final users of what producers produce. Now, moving to workers. Workers are influenced by opportunity cost by a number of factors, which include wages paid, chances of promotions, etc. Now we also have producers. Producers are influenced by opportunity cost because they also have to choose the option that will give them maximum profit. Now moving to the government. Government spending on a particular program is the alternative for foregone benefit of increased spending on another program. Moving to the next slide, where we have just one activities about what we have said earlier. What is meant by opportunity cost? 1, the best alternative foregone. Is it? Let's move on. The labor used in producing products? No. The cost of exploring business? The correct answer should be the best alternative foregone. Wow, amazing. Moving to the next slide, where we have an activities also. I think that's this one related to your past question. What is an opportunity cost for a consumer spending money on a holiday? Now we are here. The rubbish created during the holiday which affect the local community? No, that should not be the answer. The price paid for an air ticket to the holiday destination? No, that's not the answer. The satisfaction that the consumer gained from the holiday? That's so. It should not be the satisfaction. Now, the potential interest earned if the holiday money had been saved. That is the opportunity cost of spending on that holiday. Now let's check. Wow, we got it right. Moving to the next slide. Moving to the next slide, where we also have one of your past question here. A farmer decides to grow potatoes instead of wheat. Now let us try this. What is the opportunity cost of growing the potatoes? 1, the output of wheat. Let's move on. The price of seed potatoes, is that so? No. The time spent preparing the potatoes feed? No, that should not be the reason why the farmer grows potato instead of wheat. The profit from growing potato, if at all the profit is coming from potato, the farmer will choose potato. It's supposed to be the output of wheat. Wow, we don't have much about opportunity cost. That should be the end of our class. Stay tuned to our website www.edubbey.com. See you